Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install the iPadOS 27 public beta on your iPad. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPad. Then go to General and tap Software Update. Before you can install the beta, your Apple ID must be enrolled in the Apple Beta Software Program. If you haven't done that yet, open Safari and search for Apple Beta Software Program. Open the official Apple Beta Software Program website and tap Sign In or Sign Up with your Apple ID. If this is your first time, simply follow the on-screen instructions to enroll your device. If you've already enrolled, you can skip this step. Once you're signed in, go back to Settings, then General, and open Software Update again. Now tap Beta Updates. From the list, select iPadOS 27 Public Beta. If you don't see this option right away, wait a few minutes and check again. Go back to the previous screen, and the iPadOS 27 Public Beta update should now appear. Tap Update Now or download and install. Then enter your passcode if prompted. Next, read and agree to the terms and conditions to continue. The update will now begin downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, tap Install Now, or wait for your iPad to install the update automatically. Your device will restart during the installation process. After the installation is finished, your iPad will boot into iPadOS 27 Public Beta. To confirm the installation, go to Settings, then General, and tap About. Here, you should see that your device is running iPadOS 27. Keep in mind that this is a public beta, so you may experience bugs or unfinished features. If possible, it's a good idea to back up your iPad before installing any beta software. And that's it. That's how you can install the iPadOS 27 public beta on your iPad. Thanks for watching.